Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Twitch chat to OBS. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to Streamlabs and open your account, which this here. You will see the chat box there, so just click on it. Next, click on Click to Copy Widget URL, then click on Copy. Now go to OBS here, click on the plus icon under Sources, then select Browser. Name your browser, I'll name this Twitch chat, then click OK. Minimize the window so you can see what's going on. Paste the URL that you copied earlier, then make sure not to show this URL to anyone. Click OK. You will now start seeing the Twitch chat appear. Every time someone chats on your Twitch stream, their messages will show up here. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add Twitch chat to OBS. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.